Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stating purpose so people know why they should listen. Say your name, role, and one clear outcome in one sentence. This sets expectations. Once done, confirm audio and camera are working. Use headphones and a wired connection if possible to reduce dropouts. Make sure you have 3 concise talking points and a 30 to 45-second opening line prepared. This prevents awkward pauses and helps you transition smoothly into content. Now execute the introduction. Start with a hook, an interesting fact or brief benefit, so attendees immediately care. Then follow a simple structure: who you are, what you'll cover, why it matters, and what they should do next. Speak to the camera to simulate eye contact and vary your tone to keep energy up. This helps retention. Once you outline the agenda in 20-30 seconds, invite one interactive element like a poll or raise hand to engage people. Finish the intro by summarizing your opening in one sentence and stating the immediate next action so everyone knows where to focus. Invite questions and explain how participants should use chat or Q&A. This sets boundaries and encourages interaction. If you see technical issues, calmly run a rapid checklist. Mute/unmute, switch to phone audio, or ask attendees to refresh. If problems persist, suggest returning in 2 minutes or switching to a backup link so the session keeps momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.